ask people to comment below. I did this video all about how to overcome the fear of being on camera, and during the video I had people leave a comment that said, I feel comfortable recording blank type of videos, but I want to push myself to record blank type of videos on blank social media platform. And what was really neat about it is that I have almost 70 comments of people leaving these comments below my video. And so this way it was kind of nice because it helped them know what kind of comment to leave. So here's an example. Stephanie said, I feel comfortable doing edited videos, but I want to push myself to record live videos on my Facebook page. Here's another one. I feel comfortable recording book reviews with a script for YouTube, but I want to push myself to record impromptu videos for Instagram stories and IGTV. So that was really neat, just seeing that. Here's one from Phil. I feel comfortable recording support and promotional videos, but I want to push myself to create instructional videos with my face actually on screen when appropriate. That's just an example of, getting people to leave comments. You can also just say something like comment below with your favorite tip. If you give an example, that really helps them get the comment section going. Post the first comment on your video. The reason you want to leave the first comment on your videos is because sometimes people don't want to be the first to leave a comment below on a video or a blog post or anything like that. So just go ahead and leave your comment first. You can ask a question, leave a quote, link to a related video, link to an affiliate link or a blog post, or etc. Just make sure that it's related to the video that you just shared. So here are a few examples. On this video that I did last week, it was all about how I use Ecamm Live on YouTube for my live streams. So I have a related video to this about live streaming tips and tricks. So I have this watch this next live stream tips and tricks, and then I have it go to one of my other videos. So that is something that you can do that kind of will get people to still stay on your channel on YouTube. And this one, I left a comment that said, thank you so much for watching. We'll use this trick to convert your videos to text, because this video was about converting videos into blog posts. Now on this one, I had this one person comment that said, oh my goodness, I have been searching for a video like this. Thank you so much. So I pinned her comment so that people could see that, hey, this one's useful for her, and etc. The next one, this one was, I did a quick overview of an app that I use to make Instagram story templates. And it was just a really, really quick video. So what I did is I said, thank you for watching. Comment below with a yes if you would like a more in detail step-by-step video. And I got 2 likes, and I think it has 3 people. Okay, 2 people. They're like, yes, I would like that. But then other people also in the comments left things like, I would like this one, I would love a detailed step-by-step, etc. So those are just a few ways that you can leave the first comment, but make them relatable to what your video is about. Respond to every comment. Another way to get more engagement on your videos is to respond to every comment. If you have older videos and you have not responded to those comments yet, no matter how old they are, just go ahead and go respond to those comments. People will still get notified, and people will still respond back to you. You could even leave something funny like, hey, sorry it took me 2 years to respond back to you, but and answer your question. On this video that I did a couple of weeks ago, I have almost 100 comments on it, and I know it's because I have responded to every comment. So what I did, I'm just going to go through a few of these. This person said, good advice. If I hear welcome to my channel one more time, I'm going to lose it. And then I said, ha ha ha, me too, especially when it's followed by a subscribe and smash the bell. I don't do that in the beginning of my videos because it drives me crazy. TubeBuddy had said, thanks so much for the mention. And I responded back, of course, thanks for providing a solid tool. And then other people were like, hey, thanks for sharing on your community tab. So TubeBuddy actually shared this video on their community tab, and that's how more people came over to my video. Like this guy, Jerry, he was like, hey, your monthly membership link is broken. And then I said, oh, thanks for the heads up, fixing it now. Does this one work for you? And then I put the link there. But look, a lot of these get a few, more than one reply, which is really good. Like Anna and I had a conversation about TubeBuddy inside my comments thread. So that was really neat too, because I would have never, unless she emailed me or messaged me on social media, I would have never known or been able to have this conversation about weighted versus unweighted and etc. Now, I did have a few people that were like, hey, sub for sub, or blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this one. So this is pretty neat. So this person said, we're a small YouTuber couple looking to support. Anyone interested, let us know. And so I wrote back with, thank you for being interested in my channel. If you really want to grow your channel, you should check out this video. So then what I did is I have this video go to one of Nick Nimon's videos. And maybe this is me being a little sassy, but this video is all about mistakes that new YouTubers make. But yeah, so it's like, get subscribers on YouTube by avoiding these 3 mistakes. And this video is from 2016, but it's great because I can send people to this video without being like, hey, stop asking for sub on my channel. There are easier and better ways to get subscribers. Promote your video everywhere. After you hit publish, you want to just go ahead and share that link with your friends, your family, other YouTubers that you're friends with and know that will actually watch your video or support you, and just have them watch it. I know it sounds silly, but if you just send it to the people that are already supporting you, it makes things so much easier than just putting it out there into the whole online world. I usually send my link to a few of my friends and my family. I send it to my email list. I add it to a blog post. I share it on social media. You want to do this without being spammy. You don't want to be that person that's like, oh, please watch my video. Because nobody's gonna want to watch it when you beg for it. Or you could just send a kind message that says something along the lines of, hey, I just published a new video. If you have a chance to watch it, I really love your support. Thank you. I hope you're having a good day. And just leave it like that. I mean, I send my videos to my friends who are not techie or don't even care about videos or YouTube or anything like that, but they'll still be like, oh, hey, I watched your video, good job, or something. And it's really helpful, and it kind of makes it easier for you to want to share it more. If you mentioned a brand in your videos that, for instance, like if you did a product review, like I did a video once for TubeBuddy and my experience with TubeBuddy, and then I told them about it, and then they ended up sharing it with all of their subscribers. And they have like over 200,000 subscribers, which was awesome. But it was totally unexpected. I had no idea that they were going to do that. I was just sharing that I made a video that was about their product, and if they had a chance to watch it, cool. And that was it. So yeah, just go ahead and promote your video anywhere and everywhere without being spammy. Let me know if this helped you, and I hope you're having a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye.